Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can half swipe on Snapchat. So in order to do that, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. And then now once you open the Snapchat application, go ahead to your chat section. So here you can see many different messages being sent or received. So half swipe is a feature that allows you to see the message or the feature so it doesn't show to the user that you have already seen it. So what you do is just click on the person. For instance, I'll choose this. What you can do is just slowly swipe on the person that you want to see the messages. Just release it fully. Once you have seen the message, just swipe it again, and as you can see, you have not already seen the messages, and you can just half swipe it and you are just good to go. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.